Well, hi there, I'm Debbie, and I'm with New Millennium Concepts, which are the owners of Berkey Water Filters. And as you can see, we're here at the expo at the Dallas location here in Texas. And I'd like to start out by showing the Berkey Light Water Filter System. As you can see, these are a purifier, and you fill the top with water, and it drips into the bottom, and you have clean, fresh, purified water. We put red food coloring in here so that you can actually see that it is cleaning your water. You get a really good visual here of, red food coloring and then the clear water. So as you can see, our stainless steel systems come in 5 different sizes. We have right here, the filters are inside the system. These are purifiers. You put them on the container, fill it with water all the way over the top, put the lid on, let it drip through, and then you have water that comes out through the spigot. And you have purified water. You can use lake water, pond water, city water, and it takes out to non-detectable levels the pathogenic bacteria and silt and sediment. We also take out viruses, and you're able to use your Berkey anytime, every day. It's not just for preparedness. If you want to save it for an emergency, you can, but if you want to use it every single day like I do, I have it on my kitchen counter, and every day we use the water. We also have additional elements. If you're using city water and you want to reduce the fluoride in your water, these are the fluoride reduction elements. They screw onto the stem of the main filters like that. You just screw them on, and you change them out about once every 1,000 gallons, and they reduce the fluoride out of your water, which we all like that. See, they just come right on and off, and they hang in the bottom tank like that. So basically, that's about everything you ever wanted to know about a Berkey. And they last for years. The elements are rated at approximately 3,000 gallons per black Berkey purification element. These are our Berkey Sport bottles. They actually have a filter in the bottom, and then you just put it in with your tap water, lake water, pond water. You just pull on the straw, and then you just drink it right out of the straw, and you have clean water there. Okay, and when you want to get your Berkey system, you can visit us online at berkeywater.com. That's BERKEYWATER.com. And you can call us toll free at 1-888-803-4438. And just remember that your water is not as good as you think it is, so you put it through a Berkey. Thank you.